GDR troubleshooting unable to record. We'll be using GDR E560 as the demonstration of this video. Notice, if your GDR is unable to record, we recommend you to format the memory cards on the computer. Remember to back up your files before formatting. If the computer was unable to complete the format, the memory cards might be broken or protected. Formatting on Mac, Launchpad, Disk Utility. Choose your memory card. Erased. Choose the format you want. You can edit the memory card's name. Erased. Successfully formatted. GDR E560. First scenario. Black screens on my GDR. Remove the charge cable before taking out the memory card and reconnect the charge cable later. If the screen starts working, you may try to format the memory cards on the computer before inserting it back to GDR. If the problem still occurs, we recommend you to try another memory card. Second scenario, the screen starts working, unable to record. Before checking the record function, we recommend you to format the memory card. You may format it on the computer or the device. Please check the link below to watch GDR-Can Use and Care to learn formatting on the device. If you are unable to solve the problem by following these steps, you may contact authorized Garmin Service Center. Thank you for watching.